everyone, welcome to this week's season premiere of Survivor Church Edition. My name is Matt Rucker and we're going to talk about some epic dudes of the Bible who are indeed survivors. First off, we have Noah, and God told Noah to build an ark to survive a flood. See where I'm going there with this? It's pretty cool. Anyway, basically, he was, you would say, maybe built the first zoo, sailed on the first cruise ship, pretty cool guy. So the flood came and Noah survived. That leads us to Joseph. Joseph had a pretty tough life. He was sold into slavery by his brothers because they were jealous about his fancy coat. He was thrown into prison. I mean, he had it rough, but God was with him through it all. And you know what? God put him in charge of the people of Egypt. He forgave his brothers. That would make him a survivor. What about Moses? This guy was a natural born leader. God used him to lead the people of Israel out of the hands of slavery with the Egyptians, out of the hands of Pharaoh who tried to assassinate Moses. And then after they were out of slavery, they went into the wilderness for 40 years. Moses had it rough. It's safe to say that Moses is a survivor. And now Jonah. He was swallowed by a whale. He survived. Enough said. Survivor. Daniel. You gotta have some respect for that guy. He spent all night with hungry lions that wanted to eat him alive. Not your most ideal environment, but Daniel took it like a champ and he came out a survivor. King David. This guy is a short, shrimpy kid versus a giant Goliath. And when I'm talking Goliath, I'm talking 9 feet tall. Goliath has heavy armor, he has a giant spear. David has 5 stones, a sling, and the help of God. Guess who comes out on top? That's right, David. How about that for Survivor? Let's talk about Paul. We have prison, shipwrecks, he's been through it all. But God used all those times of suffering, those times of survival, to lead many people to Christ through his ministry. So Paul was a survivor, but also he made many people survivors. These are just some of the survivors in the Bible. It's important to note that they did not rely on their own strengths to survive, but on Jesus. They relied on the Lord. We need to understand that Jesus is the ultimate survivor because he died on the cross to forgive us of our sin, but he rose victoriously from the grave, defeating sin, hell, death, and Satan. He took on our sin, and through Jesus Christ, we are all survivors. And that's all I got for you guys, folks. Be sure to tune in for more tricks and tips on how to survive. We'll see you next time.